Welcome to the Gracie's world. Well, it's mainly Gracie's. This is our very first video. And today we're making slime. We're kind of nervous. And so, yeah. Oh, that's good. Okay. So right now we're going to get started. I'm going to get started with showing you the ingredients you need. So first you need a bowl. It's kind of sticky. Yeah. My bowl. Yeah, a bowl. And then you need shaving cream,
and a spoon,
then a spoon, and then contact solution,
and then contact
glue, and then a color of your choice, which she chose red, I chose green. And she's making regular slime. I'm making butter slime. We're not making. We're both making fluffy slime. Don't we need water?
No, that's not how you.
We won't need water. So yeah,
people make fake videos.
Yeah. That's not right. You might not be able to see our face, but that is okay. Let's get started. First, you will need to get your glue.
I'm scared.
Just open it.
No, I was kind of going to spill it on the carpet.
Oh, I have to grab a towel real quick. Don't worry. It won't take a lot of time. There. Forgot about the towel. Make sure you guys have permission to do this, and make sure you're doing this on a towel.
Okay.
So,
not even on the towel.
Yeah, but we're going to pull it back. Okay, so make sure you do this on the towel again. Just because especially if you're doing it on carpet, because we're doing it on carpet because it's loud downstairs.
Okay, ready?
Set, go. Ew! It looks it's farting. Not sure if you can hear it.
That's really big.
Oh my goodness, that's a lot of slime. I mean, not a lot of glue. What am I saying? It's actually just plopping out. You're right, you don't need much. People keep texting me. Guys, we're not as young as you might think we are.
Okay.
Sorry. Oh my word, I just thought I got it on the towel, but I didn't. You don't want to get on the towel though. I'm going to try. Yeah, but you just don't really want to, so that way you use most of it there. It's not going.
I think that might be enough. Mine's dripping a lot.
Mine's just dripping. Okay. Okay. I just got. Okay. Okay. Just now you're going to put the lid back on. This might take a little bit. We're going to put it. Clear the tap.
Next.
What do we do next? I don't know how to make this. We don't stir it. This is without
coloring.
Why? No. Okay. We get the color. I gotta get mine out of the box.
Oh my gosh.
Sorry. How many drops?
She's 4.
4 drops or more if you want it to be really.
But if it's not color enough, then
if you chose yellow, then you gotta do 10.
Yeah.
I'm scared it's gonna
It's not. Just
you open it. Oh, it's hard.
Open it.
It's sorry. Okay. I just didn't want to play.
Wait, don't go
so
yet.
4.
Ready, set, go. 1.
Wait, mine's.
Where's that going?
Oh, you have to clear the thing off. Oh, sorry guys.
I was like, oh my gosh, I'm scared.
And then I was scared for no reason.
What? I can't open mine. I got it.
Got mine. My fingers are colored
Okay, then you
green.
put it on the towel. Then squirt it back on.
Okay, be very careful with the dye part.
No, don't do that.
Oh my goodness,
It's going to get way more than drops.
You gotta make sure you put the lid back on or else it's going to be really colorful. No, not yet. My hands are so green.
Go.
Wait. Okay, now go. 4, 3, 4.
I did way too much.
Oh my goodness! Now stir it. Where's my spoon? There's. Whoa! Oh, I got dye on the towel. It's okay.
Okay, that's what it's.
I think I put too
Mine's
much.
turning pink.
Whoa! Don't worry, it will be red in a little bit.
Yeah, I don't care what color.
I wanted to do green because if you do green slime, it's more original color.
I think I had it perfectly amount.
Me too.
But it has to be red.
It's okay.
Wait, look at this.
Guys, mine's so green. Whoa. I gotta mix it really well now. Oh yeah, I have to go under. I added just the perfect amount.
I did too, but mine's a little pink.
Mine's so liquidy.
I'm gonna add a little more.
No, not me. I thought it was supposed to be red.
See?
But like, I think whenever it's like actually mixed really well.
Oh, why did I do that?
Now it's gonna be even more pink. It's like, you think I mixed it
I
really
love
well?
my color. Yeah, you mixed it really well. But try to get like the bottom, cause
Oh yeah,
you might know it's like white, and
and then you don't get it in.
I think I
there.
might be ready for the activator.
The activator is whatever it's called. Contact solution. My hands are so clean.
Mine are. Oh, I think I'm ready.
Okay, me too. I think so. Wait, let me do a double check. Okay.
Yeah,
I have not gotten my things out of the box.
Mine's like, I don't know.
Yeah, because she uses.
You can
How much do we
barely see our
use?
faces.
How much do we use?
Not that much, or else it won't be stretchy at all.
Okay. So like,
Seriously,
you're
I
gonna
can't
put it
too
in
much.
because I've never done it. I have to open it now.
Mine's not now.
Yeah, because we just bought the ingredients. Well, I bought mine. Did I just get my? I just got my hair in the slime. Yeah, I'm taking a shower today. Okay. She's gonna put mine in, and then we'll add more if it's
So
Stir.
don't mix it.
Okay. We'll add more. Yeah, slime in my hair. Well, blue. Technically blue. You added a lot.
That was the same amount as you.
Okay.
Go. Whoa. Mine is like not even turning out.
I might need more.
You have to mix it, but just still mix it. I think this might be a fail. The shaving cream.
We forget the shaving cream?
Just keep on adding.
We gotta open it.
I'm sorry.
Guys, do you put the shaving cream first?
I don't know.
Just. Sorry if this is a fail if you're doing it at the same time. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, that's good.
Okay, you need more. Like,
Make sure you add just enough. Like, don't do too much of it. Now I can mix it.
I didn't add enough.
It's okay. We'll add more. Remember? Oh my goodness, this is turning out a little bit. Guys, just
I added like way too much.
yeah, you said you didn't have enough, and you had just enough. We might need more color.
We might need more color.
I was like, what do we need more?
I totally forgot about this.
The shaving. Yeah, because it's like way over there.
And I was like, okay, I don't have anything on my side. Mine's gonna overflow.
Mine is already.
Mine's
already overflow.
Okay.
Is this how it's supposed to be?
Yeah, a little.
Mine's actually doing good right now. Do I have to add more color?
Here, just keep on mixing it. Like all the colors at the bottom.
Oh yeah. I'm like terrible.
Whoa, I just got lots of color. Do that.
Yeah, I'm doing that. I'm doing it. Whoa, I have so much color. Okay, it's actually working right now.
Okay, this might take a while.
Yeah, sorry, it's not gonna be so.
Oh my gosh, I love the slime. You're not
You
done in
and
the slime yet.
It's gonna be amazing. It's just the trash. Guys, make sure you have everything pre-opened if you're doing a video, like on your channel or something. Whoa, I just got a bunch of color.
That is a lot of color.
Oh my word.
But I might need a little more color.
Yeah, I'm adding some right now.
Whoa!
Oh my goodness.
Okay, I don't think I really need more color.
We'll see. I need more color, definitely.
I don't want to get it on your towel.
Oh, we need to scoot it up some more.
Mm.
It's at the very edge. Oh, I have so much green at the bottom. I do not need... Okay, now I'm starting to get some green now. Now we're getting somewhere.
I still have white.
If you're doing a video, make sure you pre-open everything and like... Yeah.
Huh.
I'm glad we didn't forget it. Then it wouldn't be fluffy.
I'm like, no!
It would have been a fail. Now it's definitely overfull. Make sure you use a really big bowl. Well, not that big, but like about this size.
This is my first time being on YouTube. Oh, okay, I think I might need
I've been on
more
YouTube a
color.
couple times.
Do you think we need, yeah, you need
I
more
need
color.
more color. Mine's at like, it's not really working out.
I don't want it to be red.
Whoa, I just like shook it. Like it, I just got a lot of color. Make sure you guys be careful whenever you add the color. I know I've already said that probably. Yeah, change the battery pack. It's like,
Is this done videoing?
you
guys can barely see us. Like our heads are like cut off.
Okay, we gotta go quick now. Guys, we gotta go really quick. Okay, go. Do we need more contact solution?
Yes, we're just getting the color. Okay, I'm adding my contact solution.
Me too.
This is a big slime, so it might need a lot. Mine's getting.
Oh, and also if you're doing a video, I put so much.
Okay, this is gonna be really messy. So like we need something after. Like we're gonna. Look at it.
Mine's turning into slime.
Mine's definitely.
If you guys hear like music in the background, then yeah. We're gonna end this video really like soon.
Mine's not really sticky.
Well, we will see you guys in just a minute because we're gonna be like. Hi guys, so we just finished our slime.
This is mine. It turned out pink, even though it's supposed to be red.
Okay, mine's actually really sticky. Mine's kind of bad.
Yeah, I'll play with yours.
Okay, I'm gonna play with hers.
No, don't.
Why?
Don't. It's gonna get sticky.
No, it's not.
She's out there waiting on you.
I know, but we're just like finishing up. I have, guys, make sure whenever you do this.
Not to get it on mommy's carpet.
Yeah. Told you. And
really
be
good.
extra careful because I have slime all over my leg. Sorry, my dog is just right there. Okay, I'm gonna wash my skin just a minute. So, is mine actually really good?
Yeah, it's just a little sticky.
Okay.
Like I'll just add a little activator.
Yeah, make sure you add a lot of activator,
But not too much because, well, you can add as much as you want
it's not too much.
to this slime, fluffy stuff. Don't just get my hair.
Sorry, that's just my brother down there. He's annoying.
Yeah.
Be quiet. Make sure you guys need it, and he burped. Okay.
Yours is really sticky.
Okay, just put it down.
I can't.
You can wash your. I have a scrubber thing where you can scrub it off.
I don't want to get it.
Why'd you put it in the bowl?
I don't know. Take the bowl
Put it
out.
in the bowl. Go. Okay, well guys, hope you like this video. Please like, share, comment, and tell your
Subscribe.
friends that Well, we'll be posting this video soon, and we'll be posting more, especially each week or maybe every other week. Make sure you guys give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys next time.